I mean, Jamaica is really making a push, and they're now really making a name for themselves. So, for sure, this is not the end. It's only the beginning for Team Jamaica. We've been around and in Group 2 and Group 1 for a good while now.
Right.
And kind of for us, it's kind of course, nobody wanted to go back down to Group 3.
Right.
And I think we experience of being in these situations many times helped us get over the line. I think especially in the doubles, and but like I said, it's only the beginning for Team Jamaica, and I have no doubt that they're going to be a force to reckon with, especially with the way that Blaze is playing. And then Randy showed that he has it, he has the ability, he can play, and he always steps up big when it comes to playing for his country. So that's a special person right there, and that's not to be overlooked, I don't think.
Okay.
It could have gone either way. As you know, the matches were very close, but luckily we came up on top. But I want to commend the hospitality, the Jamaicans, Mr. Azar. We've made to feel very welcome here,
Right.
and we hope to see them in Group 2 again, but not on the relegation circumstances. But I wish the Jamaica team all the best.